In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional Facebook banner for your Facebook profile. But before we get started, on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and without any fluff. So if you could please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is come over to canva.com and we're going to create a free account on Canva. Then we go to the search bar and we're just going to go to Facebook cover and we're going to click on this one and we're going to let the templates load up here, and for the sake of this video I'm just going to go ahead and grab this template here, and then when this loads up, click on customize this template and we will let this load up. Now, so this is a drag and drop editor totally for free. So what you can do is whatever your profile name is, let's just say it's Fergal's, let's say internet marketing, and we can say I am an expert in digital, spelled that wrong, digital marketing and traffic getting tactics. Yeah, tactics. And I can put my telephone number here, I can put my email address here. I can change this by clicking on this and clicking on delete and then going over to the left hand column and uploading my own picture into here. And then once we have completed our Facebook cover, we go up to the top right hand corner, we click on share and then we click on download, and we're just going to download this from here. So that's how you create a banner or a cover for your own Facebook profile. Now here's a little quick tip on how to make some money with this now that you can actually create these for free. If we go over to the website Fiverr.com, you can pretty much sell anything on this website. So let's type in Facebook cover. I can't spell today. Facebook cover. And we're just going to let this load up. So you can see that there's a ton of people selling Facebook covers here on Fiverr. You can see this person has 1,000 5-star reviews. That means that they probably have sold like maybe 5,000 to 10,000 of these Facebook covers. So you can create another one of these gigs and you can advertise your gig for sale here, and then just create the covers on Fiverr or on Canva when you're ready to deliver an order. So that's a quick little handy tip for being able to make money with these Facebook covers on Fiverr. That's it for me today, guys. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out, and I'll see you inside the next video.